Located in Plaza San Marco, just steps away from the Basilica, welcome to Cafe Florian, the most legendary cafe in Venice. This place has been serving coffee since 1720, making it the oldest cafe in the world. And guess who used to hang out here? Casanova, Lord Byron, and Charles Dickens himself. Today, you can enjoy live classical music, incredible service, and a menu that goes beyond coffee. You'll be surrounded by stunning 18th century decor. Prefer outside? You'll get the best view of Plaza San Marco. If you're wondering about its prices, a coffee here will set you back about 12 euros, plus there is a 6 euro music surcharge. Cafe Florian is open morning to night and always buzzing with visitors. If you're in Venice, this is a must. The Rialto Bridge is Venice's most iconic crossing. If you're in Venice, you can't miss the Rialto Bridge, literally. It's the oldest and most famous bridge over the Grand Canal, connecting the bustling San Polo and San Marco districts. It was built in 1591. Standing at the top of the bridge, you can get one of the best panoramic views of the Grand Canal, with gondolas and vaporettos gliding beneath you. How do you get there? Easy. Just hop on the Vaporetto, which is a water bus, to the Rialto stop. If you're hungry, you're in luck. The area around the bridge is packed with cafes and restaurants. Whether you're craving pasta, fresh seafood, or just a classic Italian espresso, this is the place to be. So, if you're in Venice, add the Rialto Bridge to your must-visit list. Duchess Palace. This breathtaking Gothic palace was once the center of power in the Venetian Republic. It's filled with lavish halls, grand staircases, and prison cells. One of the most famous spots, the Bridge of Sighs, where the prisoners saw their last view of Venice before being locked away. Tickets start at 25 euros, but here's a tip. Book a guided tour. Not only will you truly understand what you're looking at, but you'll also skip the long lines. Just remember, no video is allowed inside, so take it all in while you're there and take pictures. Also, be sure to wear comfortable shoes. This palace is massive with lots of stairs and you're going to be doing a lot of walking. The best time to visit is early in the morning or late afternoon to avoid the biggest crowds. Whether you're a history lover or just want to experience the grandeur of Venice, the Duchess Palace is an absolute must-see. And did I mention that it's right next to the St. Marks Basilica? The St. Marks Basilica is located at Plaza San Marco. It's known for its beautiful mosaics and rich history, and it's a must-see landmark that offers a glimpse into Venice's artistic and cultural heritage. Admission to the Basilica is free, however, access to certain areas like the museum requires a ticket. To avoid crowds, consider visiting early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Weekdays are generally less crowded than weekends. If you visit the Basilica, I do recommend that you go with a tour guide. Many tours offer the skip the line access, and it allows you to bypass the very long lines that are at the Basilica. Plus, they'll give you insightful information about the Basilica's history and art. Some tours include access to the Basilica's rooftop terraces. This is a place of worship, so ensure that your shoulders and knees are covered. I also want to point out that last year I went on a cruise through Italy, Greece, and Croatia, and I have great tips on everything regarding the cruise with Royal, from the food to the excursions to sightseeing. You can get a lot of insights on those videos. I'm gonna list a playlist down below. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you next time.